Because every provider has their own preferred workflow, Xaia can be accessed in 3 ways to meet every need: through Epic, through the web portal, and through the mobile app. Choosing one depends on your own workflow. If there is no computer with a microphone where you see your patients, the mobile app is the way to go. On the other hand, the web app on a desktop gives you more screen real estate. You can decide what works for you. If you already have access to Xaia, then you've already seen the first access method, directly through Epic. Simply go to Chart Review, Encounters, and press the Xaia button in the ribbon, or possibly under the More drop-down. The second way to access Xaia is through the mobile app. Currently, it's only supported on iOS, but Android support is coming soon. Follow the link in the description to download the app, or pause the video and scan this QR code. If you are already granted access, then you can simply log in with your Cedars-Sinai credentials. The third way is by going to Xaia.health directly, hovering over Logging and choosing Provider. Again, you can log in with your Cedars-Sinai credentials. Feel free to try all 3 workflows. Whichever you choose, we're right here to support you.